Hello guys, I'm Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how about the fire alarms here. There's gonna be either one right there. I'm gonna show you how it works. Okay, so this here is the Gentex SHG. It's a second generation because it has a reflector. If it was first, it wouldn't have that. There are only two screws, which weren't painted red. But there's gonna be more at the rest of the building. Okay. There's also one right there, but it has a plate covering so that if anyone sprays paint on it, the SHG won't be involved for that. You can see down the hall, there's another SHG. Especially the other here. If I go too far, my brother's gonna get mad at me. And lastly, there is also a Wheelock 7002T. Yeah, but there's actually just a few left to show you. This is Wheelock 7002T. If you see what's inside the horn, it's electromechanical. But except for this thing, however, it's an electronic horn, which is nonchalant electronic horn. And that SHG here as well. But there's still more. Here, there is also Spectral Events, P2W. And
You watch the show?
This fire alarm here.
Yeah, the show's great.
Sorry for that. This fire alarm here is called System Sensor SCW. It's like a Spectral Advanced PC2R, which is a ceiling strobe,
is good, though.
but it's a remote strobe.
Oh, the sports ones?
It's a SCW.
Sports ones with pictures.
This is the same Spectral Advance. And this is called SCW, the model. It's like PC2W, but it's a remote strobe because it doesn't have inside linings just for the horn. But here in the entrance of this place is a PC2R. Now it's a horn right there. And right there, Spectral Advance SW, this is like PC, this is a Spectral, sorry for the interruption, this is Spectral Advance SW, it's like P2W, but just a strobe, so it's called System Sensor SW. Well, I hope you guys saw it. This is Zane signing off.